What's up, guys? Welcome to another exciting episode on Lartman Farms. We told you in the month of May to the end of July, we are going to try and set up 100 different farms. Yes, as I said, 100 different farms. And so we came here some days before to set up the tank. We have a fish tank here, and then we have also a quarantine tank, which they would use in terms of sorting. So let's go take a look at the setup. I'll take you through the setup, and then you see how we stock this pond with 1,000 pieces of fish. So we arrived here, and the first thing we had to do, we came here initially to do a feasibility, to first of all ascertain whether the space available will be ideal for fish farming purposes. We tested their water and all other essentials. Then the farmer says they have given us the go-ahead to come and set up. So we came here together with the team with our tarpaulin. This is an 18 by 10 foot tarpaulin, and the height is 4 feet. So we came together with the team to set up the tarpaulin, and as you can see, in setting up the tarpaulin, it's easy if you are an expert. And the most important bit of the tarpaulin has to do with the drainage systems and being able to do them well so that you don't destroy your tarpaulin setup. So after setting up the tarpaulin, the next thing to do is to now work out the outlets. And for this system, we decided to give it the basic outlet where we have 2 inches pipe being plumbed into the garden. This is the basic one that you normally do see in a lot of our episodes. But then also, because they said they want to also use the water from their fish farm to also water their garden, I think they love gardening a lot. We decided to also get a pump and then also attach a water hose to that pump. And so at any point in time they want to drain the water using the pump, they'll just put it on and then they can use it to water their garden. Another important component of fish farming has to do with feeding. Feeding is one of the most important things that farmers normally do find difficult to be able to determine. For this reason, whatever farm that we do set up, we try to calculate the required feed in the right quantities for every single farm. So in this particular place, we have some feed over here. We have some 2 mm, some 3 mm, and we are going to show the farmers what stage they should use and what quantity they should give their fish from time to time. Sorting is very important in fish farming. It is basically separating big fish from small fish, male from female, healthy from unhealthy. During your fish farm production, we do say that when you do sort your fish at the right time, it will help you to maximize yield and then also prevent the spread of other disease in your pond. So in this farm, we have a square tank being set up over here. It's a 1,000-liter tank, and right after they are sorting, the smaller fish will be placed in this tank, and then they will be fed appropriately. So in this tank, you've seen it several times on this channel, it's a square tank. There are fittings and drains of 2 inches pipe for outlet purposes. Our inlets for both tanks are going to be a water hose plumbed to reservoirs that are available for this particular house. Upon arrival at the farm, the first thing we decided to do is to check for leaks, and then secondly, we decided to check the pH of the water. We realized the pH was around 7.6, which is very ideal for your fish farming. The next thing to do is to sterilize your gallons for which you have your fish in. And so we have our salt solution, and then we sterilize the gallon and then gradually lower it into the fish tank. Right after 15 minutes, you can now allow your fish to swim into the tank. So now after waiting for 15 minutes, you can gradually just lower this down into your tank. And your fish will start coming out gradually. In this series, we are going to try to set up 100 different farms in the month of May, June and July. And so we'd like you guys, if you're interested, you can join us. And so that's it on today's episode on Lartman Farms. If you received any value in today's video, just subscribe just like him, and then let's start something big.